Hey guys, look at these pictures. Look at these beautiful pictures of garden. These are two prettiest picture of garden. Look at the style, color combination. Too much unique idea for you. You can decor your garden like this. You can put these ideas on your garden. Beautiful colors of plants. Beautiful sitting arrangement. These are beautiful. Guys, you can decor your garden like this. Look at these chairs. Beautiful entrance. Beautiful combination of colors. Beautiful, beautiful flowers. Beautiful picture of garden. Very beautiful style of hanging waste material. Also a beautiful picture of garden. These are hanging style. Beautiful picture. Look at these pictures. These are beautiful picture of garden. You can put these ideas on your garden. Each and every idea is very unique and cool and impressive. Dear guys, you can apply all these ideas on your garden, please. Dear guys, dear viewers, subscribe my channel and like my video. Bye.